fabrication portion of the technology showcase continues with sheet metal. This tool allows us to create sheet metal components with all of the necessary information to be manufactured. Let's see how that's done. So when creating a sheet metal component, I would usually start on the sheet metal tab and start with the base flange, and then create edge flanges to create the part. Today, I'm going to show you how we can sketch the geometry and use the Convert to Sheet Metal tab to create the sheet metal component. Let's jump into a sketch and create the basic geometry on the front plane. And now we have the basic geometry. So let's go ahead and add some dimensions so we can make this thing fit our fuel can. Now that we have the basic geometry in the sketch, let's go ahead and give this thing some thickness using the extrude. I've pre-measured the jerry can and it can fit in a 7-inch extrusion. Hit the green check. Now I have the basic geometry of the bracket that I'm trying to create. Now let's hop into the sheet metal tab and use the Convert to Sheet Metal tool to create our sheet metal part. So the first input it's looking for is the fixed entity that we want to create the base flange off of. So I'm going to select the bottom face, and now it's looking for the bent edges. So I'm going to go ahead and select the edges that will be bent. If you notice, the software populates the ripped edges, and now I want to show the corners. So I'm going to do an overlapped corner and use the default settings. When I hit the green check, the software makes the sheet metal component. So we finished completing our sheet metal component. Now we need to send it to manufacturing. So the first thing I'm going to do is go File, Save As, and we're going to save this out to the desktop as a DXF. When I select DXF and save, you'll notice that I have some export options here. Go ahead and select bend lines and the green check. The software will preview the DXF flat pattern. Go ahead and select save, and now we're going to hop over to a drawing and I will show you how to relay the manufacturing information. Let's head up to File, Make Drawing from Part. It's going to have me save this file and select a drawing template. Let's do a B size and select the flat pattern. And if you notice, my bend information is here. Now the last step, since the bend information comes with the flat pattern, I'm going to go to the Annotations tab, select Model Items. Let's do it for the entire model. Hit the green check, and we're done. This is how we can use the tools within SOLIDWORKS to create sheet metal components that are ready for manufacturing. If you would like to see more videos from the fabrication portion, please select here for routing and here for weldments.